Back at 7:40 and this morning on Rossen Reports, a hidden camera investigation before you hit the road for Thanksgiving. Today, national investigative correspondent Jeff Rossen is putting mechanics to the test. Jeff, good morning.
Hi, Savannah. Good morning. We're talking about your tires. When it gets cold outside, the air pressure in them drops, and we've all seen it. That tire pressure warning light pops on your dashboard. It's completely natural. The fix is easy. Just add some air. But would repair shops do the right thing? This morning, our hidden cameras are rolling, and what we found has never happened to us before. Hi, sir. Jeff Rossen from NBC News. I want to talk to you about a customer that came in a couple of days ago. Just wait until you see what his repair shop did. And this mechanic astonished us. I have a couple questions for you. We set up a scenario with this 2010 Chrysler minivan and hired this certified mechanic, Audra, to inspect it along with the tires.
The car's in perfect condition. It needs nothing.
Then we had her rig a simple problem.
We are going to let some air out of the tires, trigger that dashboard light to come on.
And this is a common situation because this time of year when the temperature drops, tire pressure drops.
That's it.
What's the fix here for this van?
The fix is free air.
That's it.
Period.
We wired the van with 5 hidden cameras underneath, inside the side view mirror, even behind the tire, capturing every angle.
Hi, how are you? I have an 8:30 appointment.
Then we sent this female producer to 6 shops around New Jersey, from car dealers to national chains to independent garages, with that tire pressure warning light on.
I have this light that came on in my car. I'm not really sure what it is.
Things start off promising at these 2 Chrysler dealers.
In the cold and the heat and everything, the tire pressures change. All you do is just go to a gas station, put air in it, and drive it, and the light will go out. That's it.
That's all I need you to fix it?
The dealers don't charge us anything. But would we be as lucky at the big chain stores? We visit this Midas.
You don't need to fix anything. It was just low on air.
Great. It gets even better at this Firestone. This shop even taking off our tire to inspect for leaks. So thorough, so honest.
So I don't need to fix anything?
No, just keep an eye on it, okay?
And it's all free. Hi, sir. Jeff Rossen from NBC News. I wanted to thank the owner. We were watching on our hidden camera saying, I wonder if they're going to charge. I wonder if they're going to say she needs new tires. But you spent all that time, you put the air in it, and you sent her along for free. You did the right thing.
Yeah, but she'll come back. You got to trust your auto mechanic like you got to trust your doctor. So you got to go to somewhere where you can trust the person.
But what happens next at this independent shop truly surprised us.
If you could just tell me what I need to do to fix the car.
Our producer tells them she's clueless, making her an easy target.
I just don't know anything about cars, so.
Don't tell the mechanic you don't know anything. You're going to be ripped up. We are not like that, so I'll give you the tip.
That's right. He just gave our producer free advice to avoid getting scammed and diagnosed our problem correctly.
You don't need time. We can change it, we make money, but if you don't need it, you don't need it.
Jeff Rossen from NBC News. I just had to meet him. You told her, don't call yourself clueless. You're going to get scammed if you do that.
That's what they do.
Why did you go above and beyond and help her so much?
That's the way I brought up.
That's the way you were brought up.
That's it.
To help
be honest and help people as much as you can.
Thank you for being a good guy and doing the right thing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. In the end, every single repair shop did the right thing. A Rossen Reports first. Even our expert was stunned.
To see that they were really trying to give great service, helping out someone who really just didn't know, was really wonderful.
So what if this happens to you? You wake up one morning and your tire pressure warning light is on. You can fix it yourself. We've posted a very simple how-to video on our website right now. Today.com. Takes just a few minutes. Savannah, anyone can do it. Even you, even me.
Okay, Jeff, thank you so much.